Canada becoming the latest country to authorize the use of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The FDA expected to approve the vaccine in the U.S. tomorrow. We also got an update from Johnson & Johnson about their vaccine trial today. So here to break all this down for us, we want to bring in Anjalee Khemlani. Anjalee, what's the latest?
Thanks, Shauna. As you mentioned, Canada did approve that vaccine today, so we're expecting shipments to start going out. Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau did tweet that 30,000 doses are expected to arrive Monday, and in total, about 249,000 doses are expected to reach Canada within that first shipment. Now, here in the U.S., we know that vaccine advisory committee is so important to get to that next step of the EUA. That emergency use authorization is happening tomorrow. It's an all-day event. I will be glued to it and bring you the latest then. But what is expected really is a sail through, as someone put it to me earlier, of this authorization, and likely coming on Friday, in fact, with a lot of health systems already gearing up to really give out that vaccine. On an Operation Warp Speed call earlier today, we did get the breakdown. We know that initially Pfizer committed to 6.4 million doses, but of that 6.4 million, we have about 2.9 million set aside for the first dose, 500,000 doses set aside in reserve, and then another 2.9 million waiting for that first round of individuals to get that second dose. That 500,000 does reflect sort of the confidence right now. We know that Pfizer did see a little bit of a setback in the scale up of its raw materials, which is preventing it from getting more doses out, and we heard about that this week. So waiting to see how it all goes, but of course everyone is expecting that EUA to come Friday. Now, Johnson & Johnson, because of the prevalence of the virus, has had enough data coming in from the current trial participants. That's at 40,000 participants, and is going to stop there. Initially it was looking to increase that to 60,000, and that was of course based on the idea that maybe the virus would wane and they wouldn't have as many individuals to test with. But this is one of those good story, bad story issues. But meanwhile, it is important because Johnson & Johnson, as we know, is the only company to be doing a one-dose vaccine. And so while we're waiting on the others to sort of come out with their data, a lot of eyes on that one for its potential to have a broader availability and broader use around the world. Shauna?